We are now going to learn what comes from clouds with information from the book Down Comes the Rain. Write down any questions you may have about this presentation. Rain comes from clouds. It comes from big clouds and small clouds. It comes from black clouds, white clouds, and gray clouds. All clouds are made up of billions of tiny droplets of water. If this is the size of a drop of water, this would be the size of a droplet, just a tiny little speck. Water droplets come from water vapor. Water vapor is a gas. Water vapor is always in the air. You can't see it, smell it, or feel it. That can make you very frustrated. Water vapor is made when water evaporates. That means the water changes from a liquid to a gas. Most of the water vapor in the air comes from lakes, rivers, and oceans. It comes from the leaves of plants from the wet ground. Study the diagram to see the cycle from ground to sky, back down to the ground. Air above the earth is always cold. The higher you go, the colder it gets. When air gets cold, the water vapor condenses and the vapor changes to droplets, which make our clouds. When clouds are thin and wispy, they only hold a little bit of water, but the thick and the dark clouds hold more water. A single droplet is so small, which we know is why you can't see it, but you can see a cloud when the millions of water droplets form together to create clouds. When clouds can no longer hold the water droplets, they fall to earth, which makes our raindrops. Now that we have had an introduction to weather and precipitation, I would like you to view Miss Frizzle's virtual field trip. Remember, take notes on any new observations you make, and make sure you bring them to class tomorrow for our discussion.
Created using Powtoon.